very good morning, students. Welcome back to our online class for today. Okay, so today is Wednesday, September 9, 2020. Okay, so this is the first session, and for the first session, we are going to learn from Blueprint 3, and for the second session as well, because we have done with the book Speaking Tutor 2A and Writing Bright Book 2. Okay, so this is the first session, and we are going to continue our unit 7, time off. Okay, so time off means break time, and we are going to continue lesson 4 as well, going traveling. So now teacher would like you to open your book to page 99, then you will see the topic that we are going to learn for today. Okay, so students, in this video we are going to learn about grammar. Let's see the content that we are going to learn for today. Okay, so contents. 1. Simple present with ever, never, and always. Number 2. Present perfect with ever, never, and always. Number 3. While and during. So you will know exactly how to use this correctly about with ever, never, and always. With the present simple and with present perfect, what is the difference between the usage of these words? And during and while, what are the differences between these two words? So let's go. Number 1, okay, simple present with ever and never and always as well. Okay, so we can use ever, never, and always to talk about the people's lives. Now, okay, so live over here has s. Okay, use ever only in questions and negative. So with the present simple, ever over here that used to talk about the people's live. Now, so we use ever in negative and question only. Okay, let's see the example. So as you can see here, subject plus verb plus complement. This is the form of present simple. Verb should be verb best form, verb 1, and complement. Complement is similar to the word to object. Okay, to object, but it is slightly different. So it is a little bit longer than object. Let's see. Number 1. Do you ever watch nature show on TV? So ever over here used in the question sentence, okay, and never used before verb watch. Number 2. I never go to bed before midnight. Okay, so ever or never over here used before verb go, and it is used in positive sentence. Okay, you know that never used in positive sentence to make that sentence negative. Okay. Number 3. She is always on the internet at night. Okay, so that always over here. It used after. Okay, after to be on the internet. Okay, so good students. So all of this sentence is used to talk about the people's lives. Okay, now. Alright, is this now? Yes, now. Look at the question number 1. Do you ever watch a nature show on TV? So this question asked about the present. Okay, good. Okay, next. The second, number 2, present perfect with ever, never, and always. So you know already about the word ever, never, and always. It's used with present simple, right? So now let's go to the usage of it used in present perfect. So what is the difference between these two tenses? Okay, we can use ever, never, and always to talk about people's experiences. Okay, students. So if we talk about the experience, we talk about the action that happens already in the past. Okay, so we learned with that action, so we call experiences. In present perfect, ever and never and always come before past participle. So past participle means verb 3. So you will see the form of present perfect, and you will see the past participle in this form. Let's go to the example to make sure that you understand about the usage of this. Okay, so examples: subject plus have or has plus past participle plus complement. Okay, student, good. So as you can see here, past participle means verb 3, okay, and complement, this is it's local subject, but it is a little bit longer than, okay? Let's see the example number 1. Have you ever thought about stealing? So this is present perfect and ever used before past participle. Thought, okay? I've never had a real adventure. Okay, all of these sentences are used to talk about experiences, okay? She has always wanted to travel. So wanted is past participle and had is past participle. So never, ever, and always used with used before past participle to talk about people's experiences. Okay, do you understand? Alright, good. So just simple with this. Okay, so number 3, students, what are differences between while and during? Let's see the usage of it. Both while and during communicate that something is happening at the same time as another thing. Okay, another thing means letter O. At another thing, the preposition during is followed by noun. Okay, so during followed by noun, and while followed by clause. You know already clause contains the subject and the verb. It is like a small sentence. Okay, good. Let's see the example. Example: what do you enjoy doing during your free time? Oh, sorry, your time off. 2. Post your photos during your vacation. So look at this. Number 2, post your photo. This is one action. Okay, and your vacation. So on the vacation, this is another action, and this is noun. Okay, so we use with, okay, you use with during. So during and while used to talk about the two action or the two things that is happening. So mean happening. Yes, two things happening at the same time. So we use this, but during followed by noun and while followed by clause. Number 3, I'll figure out with what I want while I'm traveling. So I'll figure out what I want. So this is one action, and I'm traveling. So this is another action. So I'm traveling. This is a clause, right? A clause. So we use with while. Number 4, please write to me while you are abroad. So yeah. You know already, so while to use it's followed by clause, okay, and it used to yes, to show about some or two actions happen in the same time. Okay, good. So students finish with this, and the last page teacher has some exercises want you to do to make sure that you can catch up the lesson well for today. So let's go. Okay, so underline the correct words to complete the short conversation. So we have from 1 to 3, and we have A, B, okay, until so the total is 6 sentences. Okay, so let's pause the video and spend 1 minute or 2 minutes to choose to underline the correct answer to complete the sentence. Okay, so teacher believes that you have paused the video already and read and choose your own answer already. So let's see the answer together. Okay, so A, never, B, war, and 2A, never, B, during. So 3A, ever, and B, never. Okay, so good. So these are the correct answers. For number 1, letter A is ever. Okay. Okay, good students. Any question? Alright, so if you have questions, just leave a question below the video and teacher will try to answer your question. Okay, so thank you so much, and hope to see you guys on the second session. Goodbye.